Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Salman Jaiswal Bazin from the awesome Islamic Center, Bangladesh. I am the part of the Kulbachi 135 and my ID number is 2.3. Today I am going to say about a short story. So let's get started. The name of the story is The Cow. Now I am going to say, let's jump in the topic. At the time of Musa, there was a rich man who lived with his nephew. The nephew was so greedy. He wanted his uncle's wealth. One day the nephew murdered his uncle and the villagers were shocked. Then villagers were doubting each other. Then one day all the villagers were gone to Musa for help. Then Musa asked Allah what to do. Then Allah commanded that to slaughter a cow. Then Bani Israel were laughing and asking invalid questions. Then there was a poor boy was walking beside the Bani Israel. Then they saw the poor boy has a cow, and Bani Israel said to Bani Israel want to buy. Then the poor boy says no, he don't want to sell it. Then Bani Israel gives so many golds to the boy and buy the cow. Then Bani Israel slaughtered the cow and flesh and touch the body of the dead man. Then it became alive and said that his nephew was murdered him. Then Bani Israel knows that the nephew murdered his uncle. Thank you all for today to listening to me cordially. Bye bye.